If you're looking for an AI presentation tool that works with your existing templates, let me introduce you to LLeMental. LLeMental works in two phases: template configuration and presentation generation. To get started, simply upload your PowerPoint or Word file to the platform. Once in the editor, select the areas that you want AI to generate content for. These are the sections of your presentation that are customized each time you create the presentation. In the pop-up, provide a prompt, informing the AI what kind of content to generate in this section. Users can control everything from length to font and other formatting. You can also let AI generate prompts for you, saving even more time during template configuration. LLeMental understands the entire context of the presentation and is able to relate sections to one another, maintaining cohesion throughout the presentation. Once complete, the template is saved to your library for instant use in the future. Simply select your template, upload supporting documents like meeting minutes, raw data, or even PDFs and images, and hit generate. Let's review the results. The title slide remains completely unchanged, perfectly maintaining our structure. Our tagline is generated with proper bold formatting as specified. If you want to make edits to the final presentation, you don't have to start over. Simply select the text area and talk to the AI assistant for instant edits. The rest of our slides look perfect. Perfect formatting preserved, precise control over dynamic content, and lightning-fast generation. Stop rebuilding presentations from scratch. Transform your existing templates into AI-powered automation tools. Sign up for early access and get one-on-one onboarding with our founding team at platform.LLemental.com.